Brendan with Century 21 Trophy Class, and today we are in Fountain, Michigan on Long Lake checking out a beautiful property. This property is 1.3 acres, features 2,000 square feet of living space in the main home, a massive garage with living quarters upstairs, and over 232 foot of frontage on Long Lake itself. The home features a cozy cabin feel with some new updates and new renovations done on the interior, providing modern amenity and style. Let's go inside and take a look at this awesome spot. Thanks for joining me on the tour of this beautiful home. If you'd like to see this in person, feel free to reach out to me directly at my cell, 616-550-4446, or my email at brendan@trophyclassrealestate.com. I hope to see you out here soon, and have a great day.